beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to spot where science meets style and honest beauty truths come to light. Today, I've got something for anyone who's battled dry, damaged, or color-treated hair and is on the hunt for a real game-changer in hair care. Let's talk about the L'Oreal Professionnel Metal Detox Hair Mask, a sulfate-free deep conditioner designed to protect your strands, extend your color's vibrancy, and seriously soften your hair. So, what's the scoop on this mask? It's a liquid formula that promises to reduce breakage by up to 87%. That's a bold claim backed by an instrumental test done in Germany, June 2020. The magic here lies in its sulfate-free makeup, which is critical because sulfates, while cleansing, can strip hair of essential oils and color, especially when you're dealing with processed or delicate hair. This mask aims to detoxify the hair from metallic pollutants that accumulate over time, which are known to weaken hair structure and dull color. When I incorporated this mask into my routine, I found it surprisingly lightweight for a deep conditioner. No heavy residue or greasy feel. The texture is more liquid than creamy, which allows for easier, more even application, especially on mid-lengths to ends where damage tends to concentrate. After about 3 uses over a week, my hair felt noticeably softer and looked more vibrant. It's clear the formula supports color longevity without weighing hair down, which is essential for those of us juggling highlights, dyes, or regular salon treatments. In terms of ease, it blends smoothly and rinses out cleanly, which is a huge plus. No slippery buildup or sticky aftermath, just fresh, manageable strands. One thing I noticed, while it works wonders for softness and protection, it may not be enough if your hair is extremely dry or chemically damaged. In that case, pairing with a richer treatment might be necessary. Now, let's weigh the pros and cons. On the plus side, it's sulfate-free, which is excellent for color-treated and sensitive scalps, and it tackles the unseen threat of metal deposits, a step many masks overlook. The lightweight texture and quick absorption make it user-friendly, and the softness boost is genuine. The scent is pleasant, but not overpowering, which I appreciate. On the flip side, the liquid consistency might feel a bit unusual for those used to thick cream masks, and if your hair is severely damaged or naturally very coarse, this might not provide the deep nourishment you need alone. Also, the price point leans toward the premium side, reflecting its professional salon heritage, which might not suit every budget. Speaking of value, L'Oreal Professionnel positions this mask as a salon-quality treatment, and it largely delivers on that promise. The ingredient profile and technology targeting metal pollution set it apart from your average deep conditioner. If your hair color longevity and damage prevention are priorities, it's a worthy investment. But if your budget is tighter, there are solid drugstore options with nourishing benefits, although they may not address metal detox specifically. Compared to other salon-grade masks, like Olaplex's No. 8 or Kerastase Nutritive Mask Intense, this one holds its own, especially with its unique focus on metal detoxification, something those don't emphasize. It's not a direct substitute for intensive bond repair treatments, but complements them well if you're aiming to maintain overall hair health and color. Packaging feels sturdy and professional. The pump dispenser makes application easy and hygienic. The brand reputation for customer service is solid, although I haven't had to reach out personally. No recent reformulations or updates that I'm aware of, so what you get today should remain consistent. Halfway through this review, is it helping you decide if this mask fits your hair goals? If yes, please like, subscribe, and tap the bell so more beauty lovers can discover honest insights like this. Your support means the world and keeps Beautyistic going strong. To wrap things up, the L'Oreal Professionnel Metal Detox Hair Mask is a sophisticated solution targeting a very specific and often overlooked hair care challenge: metal buildup and its damaging effects. It's excellent for anyone wanting to protect color-treated hair and reduce breakage without heaviness. However, if your hair is extremely dry or damaged, consider supplementing it with richer, more intensive treatments. Overall, it lives up to its professional promise and suits those invested in maintaining salon-quality hair health at home. Thanks for stopping by Beautyistic. If you've tried this mask, drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear how it worked for your hair. The purchase link is waiting for you down in the description or comments box. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.